Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a critical health topic, kidneys health. Stick around as we explore the foods. The kidneys, two bean-shaped organs, play a crucial role in filtering waste products, excess water, and toxins from the bloodstream. They contribute to blood pressure regulation, electrolyte balance, and hormone production, making them essential for overall health. However, various factors, such as diabetes, high blood pressure, infections, kidney stones, or medications, can lead to kidney damage. Therefore, it is imperative to prioritize kidney care to maintain their optimal function. One effective method is incorporating natural kidney cleansing foods into your diet. These foods not only help prevent kidney stones but also reduce inflammation and shield against oxidative stress, a potential cause of kidney diseases. In this video, we'll unveil 10 such foods that can naturally cleanse and detoxify your kidneys. Witness the remarkable improvement in your kidney health by including these foods in your daily meals. In this video, we'll uncover 10 foods to detox and cleanse your kidneys naturally and reverse kidneys damage before it's too late. So, without further ado, let's walk this healthy path into today's video. Number 1. Cranberries. Renowned for their benefits to the urinary tract, cranberries also support kidney health. The compound quine found in cranberries transforms into hippuric acid in the body, aiding in flushing out excess uric acid from the kidneys, a common cause of kidney stones. Furthermore, cranberries boast antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, mitigating inflammation and oxidative stress that may lead to kidney damage. Additionally, by preventing urinary tract infections common in chronic kidney disease patients, cranberries may reduce the risk of kidney infections and related complications. Enjoy these benefits by consuming fresh or dried cranberries or opting for unsweetened cranberry juice. Number 2. Lemon. Lemon, a citrus fruit, is instrumental in preventing kidney stones. It harbors citric acid, which binds with calcium in the urine, inhibiting the formation of calcium stones, the predominant type of kidney stones. Additionally, lemon is rich in vitamin C, boosting the immune system and combating infections. Embracing lemonade therapy, a practice of consuming 4 ounces of lemon juice mixed with 2 liters of water daily, has proven highly effective in reducing the recurrence of calcium oxalate stones. You can integrate lemon into your routine by squeezing its juice into a glass of water or adding a lemon wedge to your tea. Number 3. Seaweed. Seaweed, an aquatic algae, boasts numerous health benefits. Abundant in iodine, crucial for thyroid function and metabolism, seaweed also houses antioxidants, anti-inflammatory agents, and polysaccharides that shield the kidneys from damage induced by diabetes. A 2014 study demonstrated that feeding rats seaweed for 22 days significantly diminished kidney and liver damage associated with diabetes. Furthermore, seaweed contains alginates, compounds capable of binding with heavy metals and toxins, facilitating their elimination from the body. You can incorporate seaweed into your diet by enjoying it as a snack, adding it to soups or salads, or using it to craft sushi. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic, a versatile spice that enhances the flavor of your dishes, also contributes to boosting kidney health. Allicin, a sulfur compound released when garlic is chopped or crushed, possesses antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties, safeguarding your kidneys from damage and infections. A study indicated the potential benefits of allicin in treating severe kidney diseases, such as chronic kidney disease, by reducing levels of urea nitrogen and creatinine in the blood, compounds filtered by the kidneys, reflecting improved kidney function. Additionally, garlic exhibits diuretic properties, promoting increased urine output to flush out excess toxins and minerals, thereby preventing the formation of kidney stones. To harness these benefits, Incorporate raw garlic cloves on an empty stomach or add chopped or crushed garlic to salads, sauces, or various dishes. While cooking may reduce some allicin content, another option is to consider garlic supplements containing standardized amounts of allicin or its derivatives. Number 5. Grapes. Grapes, beyond being delicious and refreshing, offer remarkable health benefits for your kidneys. Resveratrol, a plant compound present in grape seeds and skins, provides anti-inflammatory and antifibrotic effects, helping to prevent or reduce kidney damage caused by inflammation and scarring. A study in applied physiology, nutrition, and metabolism demonstrated that resveratrol could even reverse kidney damage induced by a high-fat diet in obese rats by restoring copper levels in the kidneys. Grapes also contain citric acid, a natural acid known to prevent kidney stones. Another advantage of grapes is their ability to lower blood pressure, a significant factor in kidney failure. The polyphenol in grapes, plant chemicals, relax blood vessels, improving blood flow. To enjoy these benefits, consume grapes in their fresh or frozen form. Number 6. Blueberries. Blueberries stand out as another berry that can positively impact your kidney health. Packed with antioxidants known as anthocyanins, responsible for their vibrant blue color, blueberries serve as a defense against oxidative stress. This stress can pose a threat to the cells and tissues of the kidneys, potentially leading to chronic kidney disease. Additionally, blueberries exhibit anti-inflammatory effects and contribute to lowering blood pressure, promoting overall kidney well-being. A study established a correlation between blueberry consumption and significantly reduced levels of urinary albumin, a marker indicative of kidney damage. Whether enjoyed fresh or frozen, incorporated into smoothies, meals, or salads, blueberries offer a delightful and healthful addition to your diet. Number 7. Watermelon. Watermelon, a delightful fruit, plays a dual role in hydrating your body and facilitating kidney detoxification. With an impressive water content of approximately 92%, watermelon enhances urine output, aiding in the removal of waste products from the kidneys. The potassium content in watermelon assists in maintaining a balance in sodium levels, mitigating salt retention and alleviating pressure on the kidneys. Furthermore, the powerful antioxidant lycopene found in watermelon provides protection against kidney cancer. Whether enjoyed as a refreshing snack or transformed into a juice or smoothie, watermelon offers a delicious and hydrating way to support kidney health. Number 8. Olive oil. Olive oil, a healthy fat, proves beneficial for improving cardiovascular health and lowering blood pressure. Given that high blood pressure is a primary risk factor for kidney disease, maintaining its control can help prevent kidney damage. Oleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid found in olive oil, plays a role in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress within the kidneys. Furthermore, olive oil contains polyphenol, plant compounds known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Incorporate olive oil into your routine by using it for salad dressing, cooking, or drizzling over your food. Number 9. Cabbage. Cabbage, a cruciferous vegetable, lends support to kidney health. Abundant in anthocyanins, the plant pigments responsible for red cabbage's reddish-purple hue, cabbage boasts robust antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Anthocyanins may offer protection against heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. A study even demonstrated that diets rich in anthocyanins reduce the risk of chronic kidney disease by 29%. Additionally, cabbage is rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that supports immune health and reduces cell damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin C enhances the production of glutathione, a natural detoxifier that aids the kidneys in eliminating toxins. Enjoy cabbage raw in salads or coleslaw, or incorporate it into cooked dishes like soups, stews, or stir-fries. Number 10. Apples. Apples emerge as one of the most beneficial fruits for kidney health. Laden with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C, apples play a crucial role in safeguarding your kidneys from oxidative stress, inflammation, and infection. Notably, apples contain pectin, a soluble fiber type known for its ability to lower cholesterol and blood sugar levels, key risk factors for kidney disease. Pectin also exhibits the capability to bind to toxins in your digestive tract, preventing their passage to the kidneys. Furthermore, apples boast a high water content and low sodium levels, facilitating the elimination of excess fluids and salts from your body, thereby reducing the workload on your kidneys. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry in 2011 associated apple consumption with a reduced risk of chronic kidney disease in women. Another study, featured in the Clinical Journal of the American Society of Nephrology in 2015, linked apple consumption to a lower mortality rate in patients with chronic kidney disease. To harness these benefits, aim to incorporate at least one medium-sized apple into your daily diet, preferably with the skin intact, as it houses the majority of antioxidants and fiber. In conclusion, these 10 foods provide a natural means to detoxify and cleanse your kidneys. By integrating them into your diet, you can actively support kidney function and reduce the risk of various kidney problems and diseases. However, it's crucial to note that while these foods offer valuable support, they are not a substitute for medical treatment. If you have any kidney-related issues or concerns, it's advisable to consult with your doctor before implementing significant dietary changes. Remember, prevention is always preferable to cure. If you found this video informative, please show your support by liking, subscribing, and clicking the bell icon for more insightful content. See you next time. Let's walk this healthy path together.